In this video I'll showing you how to flush the text in Python, like when from the chatgpt, and when it gives the text, it's like flushing the text. And you can do the same thing in Python by just doing watching this video. You will be learn how to do this. So the first thing is you have to import the sys module. And next, for example, I have a text in which I have written that hello. I'll write the chatgpt prompt: hello, how can I assist you? And that's my text. Now the next, I will start a for loop for key in text, and the first thing I will say is sys.stdout.flush. I will run the flush method, and the next, here I will print the t, and the end will be it's nothing. The text will be in coming in the one line. And here the next, I will also import the time module, and here I will use the sleep function of the time and sleep it to 0.06, and that's good. And in the end I will print and I print this thing. Now I will run this program, and here you can see it says that one code has been remaining, and running again. And you can see this is good. And now I will remove this. This is not necessary. Running this again, and you can see hello, how can I assist you, like it's formed like chatgpt. Now you can also increase here the seconds. I'll use 0.6, and this is like and that is, I think I have to increase like this. Not, I will use a 0.9, not 09, and 0.006. that should be good. Running this again, and there we go. But it's so fast, but you can use the 0.3. That should be good. And there we go. You can see you can use 0.9. I don't know why I'm using this. I have to tell that how this works. So I hope you will have enjoyed this, and if you like the video, press the like button, and also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.